Hey everyone! Big news! We've officially sold the channel. But don't worry, the content isn't going anywhere. April Fools! We're still here, and I just wanted to take a moment to thank you for your patience with the latest release. I know this video took a little longer than expected, and I really appreciate you sticking with us. Since it was originally supposed to drop last week, we're still going to have another video coming later this week to keep up with our weekly schedule. So stay tuned. Now, on to some real talk. Even though YouTube may have the best intentions, ever since the TikTok outage in January 2025, it has become harder for us to upload content the way we used to. If you didn't know, since then, new poems have been released as shorts, which has unfortunately made it more challenging for some of our listeners to access Tony's content the way they prefer. But don't worry, Tony and I have been working on a possible solution to work with YouTube's newer rules, and I'm super excited to share the changes with you soon. We want to make sure you can keep enjoying the content in the best way possible. So stay tuned in the coming months for updates. Thanks again for all your support, and we'll see you in the next video.